Friends, India has adopted a unique approach posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. We have given relief and stimulus package for the poor and the small businesses. But we have also used this opportunity to undertake structural reforms. These reforms ensure more productivity and prosperity. India has undertaken a trinity of reforms in the field of education, labor and agriculture. Together, they impact almost every Indian. India has ensured reforms of old laws in the field of labor and agriculture. They ensure greater participation of the private sector while also strengthening the government's safety nets. These reforms will lead to a win-win situation for entrepreneurs as well as for our hard-working people. The reforms in the field of education will further harness the talent of our youth. These reforms have also set the stage for more foreign universities to be able to come to India. The reforms in the labor laws greatly reduce the number of labor codes. They are both employee and employer friendly and will further increase ease of doing businesses. The reforms in the field of agriculture are far-reaching. They will not only give more choice to farmers, but will boost exports. These reforms will support our efforts to build an Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant India. By working towards self-reliance, we seek to contribute to global good and prosperity. Friends, if you are looking to partner in the field of education, the place to be is India. If you are looking to invest in manufacturing or services, the place to be is India. If you are looking to collaborate in the field of agriculture, the place to be is India.